So we will focus now kidney points. Kidney points on standard correspondence system, insect system, mini system. So if you apply seeds correctly on correct point, result is coming very fastly. So we will focus now kidney points on hand. So in our body, kidneys look like this. So I'm showing you this picture so that you can understand that why we are using kidney beans on the points of kidney. You can see great similarity. These kidney beans resembles our kidneys. Because of this similarity, energy exchange is very good. That is why we are using kidney beans on the points of kidney. The location of kidney in standard correspondence system of hand, or you can say in basic system, kidney points location is on the yang side, back side, like this. You can see in the picture, and I will show you on hand also. And in insect system, in finger system, kidney points are located here at the base of each finger, and each finger has kidney points. Now you have so many kidney points. Only thing is, if you succeed in finding painful point, then result becomes very good and you get quality results. So one by one, you can check all points and can find or can choose the finger as per the painful point. Now we have many diseases, but in all diseases, especially in chronic diseases, it is very good to do moxa therapy on kidney points, and then you can fix the seeds. Only when there is inflammation in kidneys, we are not using moxa. We can just put the seed. Yes. So, but with the chronic cases, it is very good to do moxa. Okay, so now I will show you how to do it on hand, all these points, and also we will talk about adrenal glands after understanding kidney points. So on hand, kidney points are located in this area. This is standard correspondence system of hand. You see, these middle two fingers are your legs and side two fingers are your arms. So first find the web. This is the web, and then you come slowly up. You see there is a depression here and it is finishing here. You can find the web between two bones and then come here. See, this is depression. Between two bones, you will find this depression. So actually, when you divide this central line, yes, into three parts. So from the wrist 1/3, nearby this line, you will find kidney points. Yes, this line and then this line. Where these two lines are intersecting, kidney points, you will find here in this area. Yes, so first is you should do good massage. So any kidney disease, whether it is kidney stones, kidney dialysis, or weak kidneys, any kidney disease, after finding the points, you should do good massage very nicely. And in chronic cases, as I told you, it is very good to do moxa. Yes, you have to burn the moxa and you have to do moxa therapy because it gives very good result in chronic cases if you're doing with along with moxa. Yes, so do good massage. After doing good massage, you can fix the seat. And also above the kidney, there are adrenal glands. Yes. So when we are putting or when we are fixing this kidney bean, it is touching adrenal gland also. So you can see these seeds, kidney beans, are exactly matching your real kidney. So when you put this kidney beans, you see two white dots are facing each other. You see the point? When you are sticking or fixing the seed, these two white dots should see each other like this. So you see, this white dot, this is, imagine this is central line, and this white dot will see the central line. See, white dot, and here. In your body, left kidney is little up, very little. When you compare with right kidney, it is little up, but it doesn't matter on hand because these kidney beans are big size, it will automatically cover. Yes. So this is the area. And then you have to check correct position like this. And then tell your patient to press this point several times a day. Yes, so don't forget this location here like this. And it is between two bones in the depression area. Okay. And in finger system, kidney is here because this is back side of body. This finger is representing full body. So in this area, when you see this direction, this is head top and this is the base, yes, back side. So kidney points are located here. So in the last phalange, this area, you divide this into half, and here in this area, you will find this kidney points, yes. So for this, we are using small kidney beans. You can see it is so nice and also looking matching with our real kidneys. Again, two white dots will see each other and you will fix it here. But here I want to tell you that it is very good if you can find painful point, because we have kidney points on each finger. Try to check which finger has more pain. Yes, nicely you have to check which finger has more pain. And also it is very good to stimulate all kidney points in chronic cases. And in more severe cases, then you can use more than one finger also for fixing kidney points on insect system or finger system. Yes. So after doing moxa, good massage, you will fix it here. Yes. And then you can tell patient again to press this point several times a day, and you should allow these seeds to stay for 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours, 10 hours. Yes, and when you will remove this seed next day, you will see that the kidney beans shrinks. It means kidney beans have given energy to your kidney points. Yes, and this treatment you should continue, especially in chronic cases. Regularly, you should do it for 14 to 15 days. And if disease intensity is deep more, then you can add this treatment. And slowly, slowly, you will find that you are getting some good result. Your body will show some good result. Now, when you're doing on this hand, another day you can try on the, this is left hand, another day you can try on the right hand. So actually your purpose is to check where is the most painful point. Yes, this is how we do it. Yes, like this. Okay. So you can see the location of adrenal glands. Yes, because in body also, in triangular shape, adrenal glands are on the top of kidneys, and same you can see on the hand, on basic system and also on insect system. Yes, and we are using these adrenal glands more often in emotional diseases, brain, heart, adrenal glands. So you should know where is the point of adrenal gland. So it is also very good to massage these adrenal glands if you have any emotional issue. Very, very good to stimulate these adrenal glands, your heart point, yes, and adrenal glands, because you all know that adrenal glands are very, very important because they produce hormones and you cannot live without these. And these hormones are sex hormones and cortisol. So cortisol helps you respond to stress and has many other important functions. So with adrenal gland disorders, your gland make too much or not enough hormones. So it is very important to pay attention on adrenal glands in emotional situations. And also kidney points are, we are also treating kidney points for bone disease. Yes, in future classes, you will come to know that in all bone diseases, we pay attention to these kidney points. And one more tip I can give you for kidney. According to your level 2, you know that this is kidney meridian, yes, and here also this is kidney meridian. And on kidney meridian, this point is very special point. This is spiritual point. You should check this point. You should massage this point. If this is painful, you can put seed here, yes. And this kidney meridian, if you know energy diagnosis, we can tonify or sedate with the help of bar magnet or color therapy. But for beginners, I can recommend that this area, see, I can show you. This is kidney meridian. So if you don't know tonification and sedation, on this line, you can make chain of seeds on the paper tape. Like this, you can make chain, sleek chain, and you can energize this meridian like this. Yes, like this until here, and you can fix it here like this. So on your hand like this. So this is chain. Here, seeds. Okay, so this is very good. And then according to tri-origin, this joint is kidney organ joint. So if you're fixing seeds on kidney meridian in this hand and on this hand, this is your kidney tri-origin joint. You can cover this joint with the seed and you can tell your patient to do this pressure massage from time to time. And in your meditation, you should remember that this is kidney joint. When you're doing mudra, then you can touch this thumb tip on the center point of this joint, and with calmness and smile, you can perform this mudra. If any kidney disease, and if you're doing this mudra along with Sujok treatment, and you will see that kidney is improving very fastly. Yes, so all these tips you can follow. Even if you have not done advanced level, you can pick up these advanced tips and you can add in your treatment. Yes, but when you are doing mudra, you have to do with smile and with calmness. Yes, for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it depends how much you can do it in a peaceful state. Okay, so this is how you can give attention to your kidney points.